Puppies.
Puppies.
Okay, now the intro is there.
Okay, this is the intro. Okay, my neighbor Reed and my neighbor Avery, they're sitting on the couch. They got new puppies. They got new puppies and a new video. The puppies are coming outside to play. Reed will be our cameraman here.
Oh my gosh, can you really put this?
Here's the. Hey, puppy.
These are the puppies. They're a little wet because they just got a bath. Hello? Hello, you. Hello, puppies. Oh, the puppies. The puppy's like, am I gonna be on TV? Or what? No, come back. What is he doing?
Yeah, should we move over there?
Oh God.
Oh, look, that one's pooping. About to.
What?
One's about to poop.
Okay, guys.
What do you think about the new puppies? Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. And like if you see a dog on this in this video, okay?
Like if you see this dog.
Like and subscribe if you see a dog in this video.
I think that's poop or moss
Or a puppy. Like and subscribe if you see a dog or a puppy in this video, okay?
I think we've already seen a dog. All right, let's go see Abby.
In this video. And they're also named by cars.
Are they both girls?
And they're both boys. And what are the names?
Audi and Chevy.
And that one's Chevy. This one is Chevy. And
So they're car names?
this one is Audi. So Audi took a drop in. Oh God, right here. Audi took an engine. Audi took a vroom vroom. Yeah, whenever they use the bathroom, let's say Audi or Chevy took a vroom vroom. Oh my God.
No.
That one needs some love. Ah, he's eating me. Okay, puppy. You just stay right there, or you can come with me. You can come with me or stay right there. I don't care. Doesn't matter.
This one is
That one just minded his own business. Rowan, could either Rowan or Luke go play with that one? Because I think he's lonely. Okay. Luke is going over there to play with the other puppy. This one is just itchy because he just took a bath.
Where are you itching? You're gonna poop on my hand. No, you're not pooping on my shoe. No. That's poop on my shoe.
Whoa, what was that? Oh, sorry, wait, the camera.
No.
That one is stuck on a barrier.
What do you mean?
I can't, like, double go.
No, I mean.
That one's Audi and that one's Chevy. So the one that Luke is closest to is Audi.
Trying to eat
And that one over there is Chevy. This one, just so you remember. Told you already, but. How was your day?
Oh, little guy. He tries to bite your finger, it tickles.
It does.
I think that's it for the video.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. This has been.
Can I say bye?
This has been a fun video.
Go on,
Blue.
Can I say bye?
This is Bluey.
Yeah.
This is Bluey. Like Bluey.
Blue is.
And this has been our great video
This one
with
is
the
a nice
puppies.
Can I-
Cameraman Reed. Cameraman Reed. And this is Rohan.
Oh.
He's in here.
So,
On YouTube.
wait, hon, where's the camera? Oh,
Dude, stop.
sign it off. Dude,
Okay.
pound it, knock it.
Okay. Bye.